Workshop Addict will show you how to put the electric parking brake, EPB, on a Volvo XC90 2016 into maintenance mode step by step, without any scan tools or external batteries. Keep in mind, this is not the safest method, but it's the one many people use for quick brake pad replacement. First, turn on the ignition and wait about 5 seconds, until the lights on the dashboard start flashing. Next, press the accelerator pedal fully down. Press and hold the parking brake switch down to release it, and turn the ignition off. Immediately turn the ignition back on without releasing anything, and wait another 5 seconds. You'll hear the rear brake motors retract, and the brake light on the dashboard will start flashing. Now you can turn off the ignition and safely work on the rear brakes. After you're done, turn the ignition on again. Wait 5 seconds, press the accelerator fully. Pull the parking brake switch up to apply. Then turn the ignition off and right away back on. Wait 5 seconds. You'll hear the motors return to their normal position, and the flashing brake light will disappear. That's it, your EPB is back to normal. Thanks for watching, and see you on Workshop Addict for more quick repair guides.